Brian here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal KMG on the bench, same as a KMM. Today we're going to just show how to remove this lid right here and get it out of the way when servicing this machine. There's a bunch of screws up in here and it's hard to tell what to do, but I'll show you what to do. So first thing that's got to be done is the ribbon has to come off. So let's get this off. And removed out of the way. Okay, so you can see there's a screw there, and there's a screw there, and there's a screw there, and there's a screw there. We don't have to worry about any of those. What we're going to do is just remove these guys right here. 1, 2, right there. Don't worry about anything else. And of course on this side the same corresponding ones, which are hard to see. They're black right here and right here on this bracket. 1, 2. They're kind of hard access to get a screwdriver in because of this lid is in the way, especially the back one. The angle is kind of bad, but you can get them. They will come loose. So loosen these guys up. This is a small screwdriver for this job, but let's try it. There it goes. Sometimes it takes a bigger screwdriver to get these things broken free because they're usually in there pretty tight. Let's do this back one here. See if I can get it to break free. Oh, yep. Got it. So remove these all the way. And just go do the other side. Yeah, that back one's pretty tight back there. But the skinny little screwdriver got it. There she is right there. And then this one here. Got it. Okay. Once we get those all the way off, the lid is loose. I got a light going bad over here. Look at that. Okay, so now we're loose, and the wings here are still attached to the lid. So all we need to do to get this all the stuff out of here is flip this wing up, wedge it between the back of the ribbon spool there like that. Just manipulate it up above that spool like that right there. And do the other side like that, and that's it. This all comes out of here in one piece. The wings, and you just leave these things attached. So you don't want to break this adjustment, you don't want to break that adjustment, you don't want to break that adjustment. All that stuff just stays in place. And you can clean this wing, you can put new material up in here if you want. Just leave those attached and then only undo these screws here on the edge on both sides. Then you have total access to your typewriter. Alright, Phoenix Typewriter. Good day.